Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2016 Subaru WRX base model. They make a premium and a limited, adding fog lights, leather, and sunroof, but this one being base model just keeps with the standard cloth interior and none of those extra features. But it does come with Subaru OEM rain guards, aftermarket front wheels, new Sumitomo tires all the way around. Previous owner painted the lower part of the grille here as well as the hood scoop a satin black. All powered by the 2.0 FA20 4-cylinder boxer chain-driven turbocharged engine, direct injection. So Subaru changed a few things from their EJ to the FA. They included now a timing chain, quad variable valve timing sensors, direct injection fuel pump, and then also the addition of the Perrin aftermarket dry flow air intake. Modifications include the air intake and the wheels on the vehicle. Everything else is stock. Clutch has been replaced, upgraded clutch, nice clean and clear headlights, turn signals down below, standard ride height. It's been inspected and checked out, no leaks, no problems with the brakes, everything's good to go. Aftermarket wheels have no tire pressure sensors, so the tire pressure warning light is on and will remain on. Comes with OEM WRX floor mats with the red stitching on the seats as well as the red stitching on the floor mats as well to show you that it is WRX. Comes with the original owner's manual, wheel lock, nice carbon fiber and piano black finishes throughout the interior, all stock standard. Switched the WRX to now having the nice black headliner. Everything flows very well versus it being light gray. 6-speed transmission that comes standard now. The EJ series cars were 5-speed, so that was a much needed upgrade. Comes with charging port and USB auxiliary connectivity. Also has a touchscreen stereo. Comes with rear backup camera, Bluetooth connectivity for audio and phone call, and then multi-function steering wheel over there to handle all that. Comes with dual map lighting, dual vanity mirrors with illumination inside, and then power windows, locks, and mirrors. And I love that they did this chrome at the tip of the window switch. Really beautiful touch. And then they added the chrome for the WRX as well on the side there. So really nice subtle touches there. So kudos to Subaru for that. Very clean interior, smoke and pet free. Comes with rear cup holders and then split fold 60/40 rear seat. Four-wheel disc brakes. Dual exhaust with quad tips. OEM diffuser. Spacious trunk. Underneath includes the spare tire tools and jack if you get a flat tire. Nice rear lip spoiler, low profile. Previous owner darked the taillights out. But very clean, very nice drive. Paint's in premium condition, no issues. It looks and feels like a brand new car. You would never even know that it's 5 years old or has the mileage that it does because it is very, very clean. So behind the driver's side, we have automatic window for the driver's side, and then the rest of our window switches. We also have our locks and our power side view mirrors. And then up top here, we have our interior illumination switch to darken and lighten the interior lights for the dash. Then we also have our trunk release traction control. You can turn on or off. Comes with daytime running lights, and with Subaru the headlights do turn off even if you leave the switch on, so that is nice. So for 2015 model year, they added a flat bottom steering wheel as well as the nice bumps here to make it easier to grip, and then it's all leather wrapped with red stitching there. And then here's for your information on the cluster, and then we have our Bluetooth buttons, our volume controls, and then We have additional menu button there, as well as the cruise control. Keyless entry, factory alarm, sweeping gauges, have an active MPG monitor as well as digital speedometer gauge. Then it also will tell you what gear you're in on the bottom square here. So as you shift through the gears, it'll show you that. Also the rear backup camera functioning.
Just made better. Also try PD.
Speakers work well, all touchscreen. Up top here we have our boost gauge, also time and temperature, and then you can scroll through the settings for MPG and then also the clock, down to empty, average MPGs, vehicle performance on the all-wheel drive, acceleration percentage. AC's ice cold, very nice, like brand new. And everything's properly working. No warning lights on the dash aside from the tire pressure, and you know why. Revs up nicely, it idles smoothly. You can see the boost monitor working perfectly. The drive's excellent. It's basically like you're buying a brand new WRX. No stories, hardly any modifications, ready to go, total turnkey for the new owner. You can find this beautiful 2016 Subaru WRX exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.